Hi everyone. In this video, I want to talk about how to download and install Oracle 21C software. See, this software available in this link bit.ly/Oracle 21C software. Just copy this link, open the browser, I'm opening Google Chrome, the address bar, paste that link bit.ly/Oracle 21C software. Observe here, it is displaying one zip file. Download this zip file now. Right click on this zip file, select download option. Now it is downloading. So select download anyway. It is downloading this Oracle 21C software. Now successfully software downloaded in default downloads location. Check here. So just go to default downloads location. The downloads. Observe here. Windows x64 db_home software downloaded. This is Oracle 21C software downloaded. So to install the Oracle software, minimum 10 GB memory is required. So in my C drive, 10 GB memory is not there. So I cannot install Oracle software in C drive. That's why I'm installing Oracle software in the D drive. So in the D drive, I'm creating one new folder with the name Oracle. Here Oracle new folder created. Here Oracle new folder created. In this Oracle folder, I want to create another folder. As of now, this folder is empty. Create one more folder here. In the Oracle folder, we are creating another folder with the name db_home. I'm giving this folder name as db_home. Follow this step as it is. So in C drive or D drive, create one Oracle folder. I created in D drive because to install Oracle software, 10 GB memory is required. In C drive, 10 GB memory is not there. So that's why I'm installing the D drive. So in the D drive, create Oracle folder. In the Oracle folder, create db_home folder. In the D drive, create Oracle folder. In that, create db_home folder. So just now we downloaded the software that is available in the downloads. Extract that zip file to this db_home. So go to downloads. This is the software. Right click on it. Select extract files option. So to where we want to extract, to the D drive. In the D drive, our folder name is Oracle. Expand Oracle folder. In the db_home is there. Select db_home, then click on OK button. Now software will be extracted to db_home folder. So it is extracting the software now. Now software extracted to db_home folder. Open it. So in the D drive, in the Oracle folder, in the db_home, observe software extracted. Software extracted here. So in this, see the last file, setup file is there. This is a setup file. So now we have to install Oracle 21C software. So right click on this setup file. Select run as administrator option. So in the db_home folder, we extracted Oracle software. So in that, in the db_home folder, last file is setup file. Right click on it. Select run as administrator. Do you want to allow? Yes. Now it is installing Oracle 21C software. We have to follow some steps here. Observe here. First step is select, create and configure a single instance database. Select first option here, then click on next button. Here in second step, select desktop class option, then click on next button. In third step, select use virtual account option, click on next button. And in the fourth step, so this is the software location in the D drive in the Oracle folder, in the DB underscore home folder, our software is available. So to this location only we extracted the software. So from there, it is installing the software now. So here we are giving one password here. Here we are giving one password. This is database administrator's password. Step 4 is very important. In step 4, we are giving one password. This is DBS password, database administrator's password. We have to remember this. So Naresh IT I am giving. Confirm password also I am giving as Naresh IT. So we are installing Oracle software means we are the database administrators. Database administrator installs this Oracle software. So this is DBS password. We have to remember that one. And don't give special symbols in the password. Use alphanumerics only. Don't use special symbols in the password. Use alphanumerics only. Then click on next button. So are you sure you want to continue? Now it is checking for prerequisites. Next, your install button is activated. Below, click on install button. Now software will be installed. It is installing the software now. Successfully, our Oracle 21C software installed. So installation finished here. Close it. Close this window. Just press Windows or type SQL plus command. It is opening SQL plus to us. When we install Oracle 21C software, along with Oracle 21C, SQL plus software will be installed. So here enter username. For database administrator, username is system. So I'm entering system here. Slash. Give the password. At the time of Oracle installation, I have given password as Naresh IT. So give Naresh IT. So observe here, it is telling that connected to Oracle database 21C. Means it is connected to the server. It's connected to the database server. Here create the user, and that user creates the tables. So create the user like this. For example, I want to create one user with the username C hash batch 2 p.m. and with the password Naresh IT. I want to create this user now. So to create the user, write like this. Create user, give the username. Username is C hash batch 2 p.m. identified by. Give the password. I'm giving password as Naresh IT. User created. But this user has no permission to log in. To give that permission, we are writing grant. What is the username? Sorry, which permissions we want to give? Connect permission. So with connect permission, he can log in now. He can log in, but he cannot create the table. For creating table, we have to give resource permission. With resource permission, he can create table. User can create table, but he cannot insert records. For inserting records, give one more permission, unlimited table space. So we are granting all these permissions to whom? To C hash hash batch 2 PM user. Grant succeeded. So now user is ready now. Now, if you want to practice, just open SQL Plus. Log in as a user. Just now we created a user. The username is C hash hash batch 2 PM. Password is Naresh IT. If you want to create the table, create the table like this. Create table T1 F1 column. I'm declaring as number type. Number of 4. Bracket close, semicolon. Table created. To insert the records, write like this. Insert into T1 values 1, 2, 3, 4. Record inserted. 1, 2, 3, 5. Record inserted. To save this data, write commit. Commit. To open and see the table data, write select star from T1. T1 table created. In that F1 is the column. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 5 are the rows. Like this, you can practice creating tables. At SQL prompt, you can type the queries and you can practice SQL.